Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to. Today, we're taking to the skies to compare two drones that promise to be your new best flying buddies. On the left, we have the RADCLO mini drone, and on the right, we've got the HiTurbo drone with 1080p camera. Let's see which one of these high-flying gadgets will make your heart soar, and which one will crash and burn. The RADCLO mini drone comes in at a wallet-friendly $62. Meanwhile, the HiTurbo drone is asking for $79. So RADCLO is cheaper, but does that mean you're getting a bargain or just a discount on disappointment? Let's find out. Both of these bad boys come equipped with a 1080p camera, but the RADCLO mini drone boasts a 90 degrees manually adjustable lens. You can catch every breathtaking moment from a bird's eye view, perfect for scenic vistas. The HiTurbo drone also has a 1080p camera that you can manually adjust to see what's in front of the drone or directly below it. Great for inspecting your roof or capturing epic skateboarding fails. Battery life is crucial unless you enjoy your drone plummeting mid-flight. The RADCLO mini drone comes with two 800 mAh batteries, giving you a total of 22 minutes of flight time. Not bad for a mini drone. The HiTurbo drone, on the other hand, has two rechargeable batteries, providing a total of 24 minutes of flight time. That's 2 whole extra minutes to avoid crashing into trees. Advantage, HiTurbo! RADCLO mini drone is all about that one-click life. With one key takeoff, landing, and stable altitude hold, even beginners can fly it. It's like having a personal autopilot for your drone. HiTurbo drone is a bit more straightforward with fewer steps to fly. No manual pairing required. Just turn it on and go. It's so easy, even kids can handle it. RADCLO mini drone is a feature-packed beast. We're talking high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3D flips, gesture control, and even an emergency stop. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. HiTurbo drone isn't slouching either. It offers altitude hold, 3D flips, headless mode, one-key takeoff, landing, speed adjustment, and voice control. You can literally tell it what to do. It's like having a drone and a butler in one. RADCLO mini drone comes with a carrying case, propeller guard, spare fan blades, and even controller batteries. It's like they thought of everything, except maybe a parachute. HiTurbo drone keeps it simple but effective with its 2 rechargeable batteries. No carrying case here, but hey, it's not like you're going hiking with it, or are you? RADCLO mini drone offers 24-hour technical support, a quality warranty, and money-back service. They're basically the drone version of a safety net. HiTurbo drone provides helpful tips like calibrating the gyroscope every time you turn it on. It's like having a drone whisperer on speed dial. Both drones have garnered positive reviews, but with specific strengths. Reviewers find the RADCLO mini drone to be durable, fun, and great for both indoor and outdoor use, though it struggles in windy conditions. The HiTurbo drone is praised for its simplicity, durability, and suitability for children, though the camera can be laggy. Overall, both drones are recommended for beginners and casual flyers. So which drone is the winner? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with a ton of features, the RADCLO mini drone is your go-to. But if you want a bit more flight time and simplicity, the HiTurbo drone takes the cake. At the end of the day, both drones are fantastic choices for beginners and seasoned flyers alike. Just remember, the best drone is the one that doesn't end up stuck in a tree. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly smart, buy smart, and see you next time.